Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy modern house seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring a spacious terrace with a large, inviting sectional sofa adorned with orange cushions. The exterior walls are made of warm-toned brick, harmonizing with lush greenery and vibrant flowers in varying shades of red, white, and green. A tranquil pebble pathway leads up to the house, surrounded by tropical plants and potted herbs, all under soft, dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. A tranquil modern outdoor living space featuring a wooden deck with cozy furniture, surrounded by lush greenery. The setting includes a gentle stream with smooth stones and vibrant wildflowers in shades of yellow and purple. A serene waterfall cascades in the background, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting from the setting sun filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows. The aesthetics combine elements of hyperrealism and impressionism, showcasing intricate details of nature alongside the sleek design of the relaxing area. A vibrant, sunlit scene of a Mediterranean-style house adorned with lush greenery and colorful flowers. The exterior wall is painted a warm terracotta orange, complemented by a rustic tiled roof. The house features large French doors that open onto a cozy patio, where elegant outdoor furniture, including a wooden coffee table with decorative plants, is arranged invitingly. Surrounding the house are meticulously maintained flower beds filled with bright orange marigolds and purple lavender, adding bursts of color to the lush, green lawn. Cozy countryside cottage surrounded by vibrant gardens, featuring an orange exterior and tiled roof, nestled in a lush green landscape. The scene is set during a sunny day with soft, dappled sunlight filtering through the trees, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Colorful flowers in full bloom, including daisies, marigolds, and ivy, decorate the path leading to the door. A rustic wooden table is adorned with fresh fruits, inviting a sense of relaxation. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, with detailed textures on the walls, leaves, and flowers, capturing the essence of a tranquil rural retreat. A charming, sunlit exterior of a Mediterranean-style house featuring a terracotta roof and white stucco walls. The scene captures a vibrant garden with an array of colorful flowers, including red, orange, and pink blooms. Potted plants are strategically placed along a cobblestone path leading to a rustic wooden dining table set with chairs on a stone terrace. Lush greenery surrounds the home, with tall plants and small trees adding depth. The clear blue sky enhances the inviting atmosphere, creating a tranquil and picturesque setting reminiscent of impressionistic art. A serene outdoor scene depicting a beautifully landscaped garden path made of smooth, round stones winding through vibrant flower beds bursting with orange marigolds and white daisies. The path leads to a rustic stone house with large glass doors that open outwards, blending indoor and outdoor living. In the background, majestic mountains loom under a partly cloudy sky, providing a dramatic backdrop. The setting is imbued with a sense of tranquility and natural beauty, showcasing rich greens of the garden contrasting with the earthy tones of the stone and the bright colors of the flowers. A beautifully designed outdoor kitchen, set in a rustic yet elegant atmosphere, showcasing a blend of natural materials and lush greenery. The scene captures a spacious wooden counter with a sleek, contemporary stove, surrounded by an organized array of kitchen tools. Above, a large, industrial-style pendant light casts a warm glow over the space. Lush lavender plants frame the scene, their vibrant purple contrasting with the rich browns of the wooden structures and the rough stone walls. A serene outdoor dining area under a rustic wooden pergola, surrounded by vibrant green vines cascading down the walls. The setting features warm, earthy tones with stucco walls and a terracotta roof, embodying a Mediterranean aesthetic. A large wooden dining table is set with simple yet elegant tableware, accompanied by woven seating arrangements. Soft cushions in neutral shades offer comfort, while potted lavender adds a pop of purple, infusing the air with a delightful fragrance. Serene indoor garden scene with a wooden structure and large openings, bathed in soft, warm sunlight. The foreground features a tranquil pond filled with vibrant pink lotus flowers and lush green lily pads, surrounded by smooth stones. In the background, a lush forest emerges, with sunlight filtering through a canopy of trees, casting dappled shadows on the ground. The atmosphere is peaceful and inviting, evoking a sense of harmony with nature. Serene indoor garden scene featuring a tranquil waterway, smooth stepping stones scattered across the water, surrounded by lush greenery. A large aquarium with vibrant orange goldfish and detailed rocks sits against a textured wooden wall. Soft sunlight filters through the space, casting gentle shadows on the water's surface. The overall aesthetic leans towards hyperrealism, emphasizing rich greens of the plants and the vivid colors of the fish. A vibrant, inviting courtyard scene with a rustic wooden door at its center, adorned with a lush green wreath. The door is framed by dark, textured walls that enhance the warmth of the wooden surface. Surrounding the entrance is a symphony of colorful flowers in a variety of potted plants, reds, yellows, oranges, and purples, lush greenery cascading from hanging pots and climbing vines. The cobblestone pathway is illuminated softly, leading to the door, giving the scene an almost fairy tale quality.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.